Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ZTE Pad 11 and let me share with you how to enable the developer options on this device. So let's start with opening the settings. And here in this left section we have to scroll all the way down to find About Tablet. Then let's scroll and find build number, and now keep tapping on it until you'll see the information that you're in the developer mode. After that, let's go to System, and here enter developer options. Also, I forgot to mention that after tapping on the build number, your device will probably ask you to enter the screen lock if you've got one, so no worries, it's normal. Here in the developer options, we've got the list of available options, advanced options from which we can choose, and basically everything works the same, just like in the regular settings, which means that if you've got the option with the switcher, for example, then all you have to do is to tap on it to apply the option. I'm just looking for the option that will kind of show you the difference, maybe this one. As you can see, it will be immediately activated and applied. Of course, you can turn it off the same way, and if you've got the options without the switcher, tap on them to open more options to choose from. If you're done with customization of developer options and you'd like to turn them off, I mean turn off all of the customization, simply tap on the switcher at the very top to turn off the developer options completely. But of course, if you'd like to keep the effect of specific options, keep the developer options turned on. To turn it off, just tap on the switcher, as I said. And after getting back, the developer options should disappear from the system settings, so probably we need to simply close the settings completely. And as you can see, the developer options are not visible. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.